If you're thinking about building or upgrading your carport, you're probably hesitating on the material to use, so you need to learn more about the various materials used in carport construction. By the end of this video, you'll know what material to choose for your project based on your own priorities. Let's get started. When it comes to carport construction, there are several materials to choose from. So today, we'll talk about 5 types of carports. Let's see what they are. Metal, made from steel or aluminum. Wood, mainly conifer timber, which is a 100% natural material. Polyethylene and polyester, made from fabric materials, typically supported by a metal frame. Polycarbonate, which features a translucent roof. Concrete, with around 6 inches of thickness being ideal to protect your cars. Now that we understand the materials used in carport construction, let's explore some popular carport designs and the materials typically used for each. First, we have the single slope carport. This design features a sloping roof that directs water or snow to one side. It's commonly constructed using metal to provide excellent durability and resistance against the elements. Next is the gable roof carport. It has a peaked roof with 2 sloping sides and offers a traditional and visually appealing look. The gable roof design offers excellent structural stability, making it suitable for regions with high winds or heavy snow loads. Gable roof carports are often built with metal, wood, or polycarbonate materials. Moving on, we have the flat roof carport. As the name suggests, it has a flat roof design, providing a modern and minimalistic appearance. A flat roof on a carport allows for efficient use of space. Since there is no slope, the entire surface area of the roof is usable and can be utilized for various purposes. You can install solar panels, create a rooftop garden, or use the space for storage. Flat roof carports are typically constructed using metal, wood, concrete, or polyethylene materials. Another popular design is the cantilever carport. It features a freestanding structure with one side supported by beams or columns. The absence of supporting columns on one side provides an unobstructed parking area, allowing for easy maneuvering of vehicles. Cantilever carports can be built using metal or polycarbonate materials. Lastly, we have the lean-to carport. This design attaches to an existing structure, such as a house or a building, offering convenient and space-saving parking. By attaching to an existing structure, such as a house, the lean-to carport can seamlessly blend with the overall architectural style, providing a cohesive look. Lean-to carports can be constructed with metal, wood, or polycarbonate materials. Now that we have explored the common materials used in the main carport designs, let's discuss some factors to consider when choosing the right material for your carport. The first factor to consider is the climate. Depending on where you live, you'll need to select a material that can withstand the local weather conditions, such as heavy rain, snow, or strong winds. Metal carports are known for their excellent durability in various climates. They can withstand heavy rain, snow loads, and strong winds, making them a reliable choice for areas prone to severe weather conditions. Wood carports can perform well in moderate climates, but they may require more maintenance and protection in regions with high humidity, heavy rainfall, or extreme temperature fluctuations. Polyethylene and polyester carports are generally suitable for mild weather conditions, providing decent protection from sun exposure and light rain. However, they may not be as durable in areas with heavy rain or strong wind. Polycarbonate carports offer good resistance to UV rays and can withstand moderate rain and wind. However, they may not be as suitable for areas with heavy snowfall or extreme weather conditions. Durability is another crucial factor. You want a material that will stand the test of time and provide long-term protection for your vehicles. Let's see which materials are the best. Metal carports, whether made from steel or aluminum, are known for their remarkable durability. Metal carports tend to last for decades. Wood carports offer a natural and timeless style, but their durability can vary depending on the type of wood used. Still, if you use wood, you expose yourself to the risk of termites or decay. Polyethylene and polyester carports, which consist of fabric materials, offer portability and ease of installation, but do not have the same level of durability as metal or wood. They do not hold up as well against extreme winds or heavy snow. Additionally, fabric materials are prone to wear and tear over time and often require replacement after a few years. Polycarbonate carports offer a balance of durability and versatility. They also provide excellent UV resistance. However, it's worth noting that the panels may discolor or become brittle over time, affecting their overall durability. Concrete carports are renowned for their exceptional durability and longevity. However, it's important to note that concrete carports are more expensive and time-consuming to build compared to other materials. Once in place, they are challenging to modify, so careful planning is necessary to ensure they meet your specific needs. Now, maintenance requirements should also be taken into account. Let's see which types of carports need more attention than the others. Metal carports typically have low maintenance requirements. They are resistant to rot, termites, and other pests, and they do not require staining or sealing. Periodic inspections for rust and applying protective coatings can help prolong their lifespan. Wood carports require more maintenance compared to other materials. They may need regular staining or sealing. Additionally, occasional repairs or replacement of damaged wood may be necessary to ensure their longevity. Polyethylene and polyester carports have minimal maintenance requirements. They generally require cleaning to remove dirt or debris, but they do not require staining, sealing, or ongoing maintenance like other materials. However, periodic inspections for any wear and tear are recommended. Polycarbonate carports also have relatively low maintenance needs. They can be easily cleaned with mild soap and water to remove dirt or stains. Periodic checks for any cracks or discoloration in the panels can help maintain their appearance and functionality. Lastly, concrete carports have minimal maintenance requirements too. They are resistant to rot, pests, and fire. Regular cleaning and occasional resealing can help maintain their appearance and protect against stains or moisture absorption. Considering the maintenance aspect, materials like metal and concrete are preferable as they require minimal upkeep and offer long-lasting durability. Now, cost is probably the most important consideration. Different materials come with varying price tags, so it's essential to find a balance between your budget and the desired quality. Let's see that together. Metal carports can range from $5 to $10 per square foot. They can vary in cost depending on factors such as the size, quality of materials, and additional features. But they represent the best balance between price and long-term value, making them a worthwhile investment. And if you still think that you will pay a lot up front for a metal carport at Allen's Factory Outlet, we can definitely change your mind. With us, you can save thousands of dollars on your metal carport, and you only pay a small deposit when you order. Wood carports typically range from $10 to $25 per square foot, including materials and installation. Factors like wood used, design complexity, and size can affect cost. Nevertheless, as of May 2023, inflation in wood prices made it a less affordable option compared to metal or concrete. Plus, you should also consider ongoing maintenance costs when factoring in the overall budget. Polyethylene and polyester carports are generally the most budget-friendly option, ranging from $1 to $3 per square foot. They offer a cost-effective solution for temporary or portable carport needs. However, it's important to note that they have a shorter lifespan compared to other materials, requiring replacement over time. Polycarbonate carports usually range from $10 to $25 per square foot. They can have a higher upfront cost compared to some other materials. However, they offer good value due to their UV resistance and style appeal. They are a cost-effective option for those seeking a balance between quality and budget. Finally, concrete carports tend to have higher upfront costs due to the materials and labor involved in construction. However, they provide exceptional durability and low maintenance requirements, making them a worthwhile investment for those prioritizing longevity and structural integrity. Considering the cost factor, polyethylene and polyester carports are the most budget-friendly option. However, if long-term value and durability are key considerations, metal and concrete carports offer excellent value, despite their potentially higher upfront cost. The last factor you may consider to choose your carport material is the style and design you want for your carport. Consider how it will complement your home or building's architecture and enhance its overall appearance. Metal carports offer a sleek and modern look that can complement contemporary or industrial-style homes. Plus, you can also customize them to your taste. At Allen's Factory Outlet, you can choose the colors of your carport. From the ground to the roof, wood carports provide a natural and classic look that can blend seamlessly with traditional or rustic-style homes. The warmth and charm of wood add a timeless appeal, allowing for customization through various paint options to match your home's colors. Polyethylene and polyester carports have a simple and practical design, but they do not offer extensive style options, which can be a problem if you want to match the color of your house. For example, polycarbonate carports provide a contemporary and elegant look with their translucent panels. The modern appearance allows for natural light transmission, creating a bright and open space while still offering protection. They are perfect for modern architectural styles. And finally, concrete carports may have limited design options, but they provide a solid and integrated look, seamlessly blending with the overall architecture of a concrete home. Considering the style and design aspect, the choice of material for your carport will depend on your home or building's architecture and the desired style. Wood carports offer versatility and can complement various styles, while metal carports provide a more modern and contemporary appearance. Okay, now that you know the material you need for your carport, that's just the first step toward getting it built. We've put together another video that covers every last thing that you need to know and do when you're building a carport. Make sure that you don't miss out any important steps by watching that video next. We'll see you there.